We have a problem. That is a tiny kitty. Dottie? Dottie, why are you up there? Dude, we have a kitty on the roof. What are we gonna do? Waffles is yelling this morning. Right for some breakfast. We are getting ready to leave to go out of town today. Hello, kittens. Where's Tommy? 2 of these guys are going to their homes next week. Excited. Come on, Nani. Nani's hiding this morning. Come on. Come on, my milking girls. Let's go. Go ahead. Nani, come on. Okay, move, Cece. Oh, come on. Bye-bye. Come on, baby. Bunny. Come on. I'm not early. Come on. Come on. Come on, Nanners. Waffles wants his breakfast. Kittens everywhere. All right, breakfast for you guys. Silly kitties. These guys are probably the friendliest group of kittens compared to when Shrub rolled up and had her kittens. They have just really been a lot friendlier. Shrub's kittens were not very friendly, which is funny because Shadow is not friendly at all. And I don't know if that's because we kept them in that kennel and I handled them all the time trying to get her to be friendlier. I have this theory. All the baby goats that I'm there for their birth are a lot friendlier than the ones that like I come home and they've already been born. And I was with them like minutes after they were born. Where Shrub's kittens, it was probably a day or 2 before I noticed she'd had them. So maybe that's it. Alright, girlies. Definitely tell they have not eaten as much the past couple of days being in here. They just haven't had any milk. They've eaten down the things that they like to eat. Patty, is that your spot? That's my spot. What you doing? Good morning. Alright. Baby's ready. Look, both mommies are in here. Look at that. Everybody getting some milk this morning. Hi, Tinkerbell. The kitties are meeting Duke. Do you like kitties? So the funny thing about Great Pyrenees is he loves cats. We've had cats around since he was a little bitty guy, but cats usually don't like him for obvious reasons, but he loves kitties. Are these your new kittens, Duke Duke? Oh, she doesn't like you. She's hissing. He's obviously happy and relaxed. Good job, buddy. Good job of being nice to the kitties. May I smell your butt, please? I love Pyrenees. They're just the sweetest dogs ever, aren't ya? So I try to do as many things as possible to make it as easy for our farm sitter as it can be. And we're really thankful that we have somebody who likes to come out here and do all of that stuff. So if I could recommend anything is if you find somebody who actually enjoys it, then it's less, I worry less, because I know that she wants to be out here and she loves on the animals. And if something were wrong, she would probably notice. Good morning. What do you think, Pig Pig? You got mud on your nose. Buddy. Didn't think they got enough breakfast. Pork chop's just over there. Having a blast. I'm really cutting back on the grain that I'm giving them, the boy goats and the pigs. Pork chop just eats a lot slower. Just because they were probably getting, I wasn't necessarily overfeeding them, but now that I'm not trying to feed 2 cows and those goats, the boys don't really need the grain. I just need them to always come to a bucket. And so these guys have been doing awesome. They have not really even made a dent in this really tall grass, which is great. It means it'll last them for a while. But everybody's been coming for breakfast. Breakfast! Come on, T first. Let's have breakfast. Come on, T. Come on, Lucy. Come on. Good morning, Princess. Good morning, Gobble Gobbles. Chief! I'm a little Hereford bull. He just... Yeah, no, we're having breakfast. Come on. Were you sleeping? Where's sleep? So what I try to do is make sure every water is as filled up as possible, that all of our feed bins are filled. Jeremy's gonna go out this morning and get feed for everybody. He's gonna get a new bag of dog food. We're gonna fill up the grain bin. I'm gonna fill up the feed in the milking barn. Everything's laid out for her. She's done this for us a lot, so she kind of knows the routine. But just try to make it as easy as possible. I don't want her to have to call me and be like, hey, we're out of feed, or where's this? Can't find something. Morning, Junie Piggle. Morning, Waffles. Morning, Lane. Yes, I know. Come on, have breakfast. I think Chinny has enjoyed being able to eat in peace. She's the big man on campus over here. Those little goats don't give her any trouble. She gets all of her food and probably some of theirs some days. I think she really enjoys that. She misses Big Pig, but I think she's pretty happy. So something else we do before we go out of town and we're gonna have farm help is whoever that is, try to have them come over one night before we leave, like the day before or a couple of days before, and just walk them through everything. Even if they've done it for us several times, we're constantly moving things around. I have moved everybody around this weekend, and so cows are in different places, pigs in different places, and then I make a list, a reminder of like milking instructions, even if they need them. That just makes it easier, so they don't have to feel like they have to remember everything. They've got it on paper. It's time for a milk pork chop. I can see all your teeth. Girlies, let's go. Come on, Goldie. Come on, Goldie. Hang on. Look, brothers and sisters are in here. So because my start day for work has gotten pushed back, I'm hoping to get Shadow taken to the spay clinic in one of those extra days I'm gonna have. Hopefully we're gonna get the goats ultrasounded and her spayed here in the next like 2 weeks. So that's basically it. As far as preparing for us to go out of town, I'm gonna fill up water, I'm gonna hose pigs off, and then we're gonna get packed up and ready to go. Water's a big time. Water out of the hot water out of the hose. Alright, just rolled back into town. Do a quick walkabout and check on everybody. Hopefully everybody behaved. We had a good couple of days. Just sit on somebody else's couch. With COVID, there's not a lot else you can do. Hello? Hello, everybody. Hello? Hi. It's hot, isn't it? Hello, Mama Kitty. Here's the kittens. You guys, I think, have grown like a ton. We've only gone like 2 days, guys. Did you need to do all the growing? Yes, hi, Tito. Let's say hello to everybody. Hello, Nonnies. Hello, Tweety. Mommy missed you. Hi, Bobo Burns. Mama missed you. Oh, hi, little babies. Hi, Bad May. Hi, Bunny. Hi, Bernie. Hi, Peps. Hi, best friend. No. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. That's this Mama. It's this Mama. Zelly. Hi, Del. Good girl. You're shiny. Daisy! What do you think? Yeah, she's looking good. Where's Tinkerbell? Oh, there she is. She's with Poppy. Cece does not care. Is only focused on food. Hi, Cece. Go. Tinkerbell. Mom didn't get to say hello to you. Say hello, Tink. Hi, Tinker. Let's see what Waffles and Link and Toonie are doing. Hi, buddies. Hi. Miss Tammy filled up your wallow. Hey, buddy. Hi, Tuners. Hi, Link. How are you, bud? Say good. Well, you guys all look good. You look good. You see the calves are like right over there. And Jade, which is good. All the big cows are in here swimming. Are you bros okay? Where's Big Pig? They look good. Hello! Hello, Big Pig! Hi, Pork Chop. How are you, buddy? Miss Tammy take good care of you. Yes. Everything looks good. She always does a great job taking care of everybody. It's nice to be able to go for a few days and not worry that somebody's not going to be taken care of. I think he's the only one that cares that we were gone. It was too hot to care earlier, Mom. It's too hot. Old Big Pig, he's coming and running. We were looking at some of our older videos today. He's just always just been so funny. Haven't you, Big Pig? What you think, Pork Chops? Oh, not dinner for pigs. Dinner for cows. Come on. Not happy. He's not being included in dinner. Mama would like to eat something. What do you think, Pork Chops? Night-night, Pork Chop. Night-nights. Look at all them teeths. Man, you got the teeths. Mom missed your silly face. She did. I think he's really missed Toonie, honestly. He always comes over to this gate every time I'm out and is like, okay, look, it's time to go, right? Let's say night-night to Tuners. Where's Link? Link! What you doing, buddy? Oh, we're over there. Alright, night-night, Toonie Pig. Night-night, Toonie Piggle. Night-night, Waffles. Good night, buddy. Good night, Link. Good night, buddy. Good night, boys. Guys. We have a problem. That is a tiny kitty. Dottie? Okay. I guess, I don't know how she got up there. So, Dottie, why are you up there? Dude, we have a kitty on the roof. What are we gonna do? Here is everybody, except for Dottie. So we gotta figure out how best to get Dottie off the roof. How'd y'all let her get up there? She was not up there. We came out about 4, and if she was up there, we didn't hear her screaming. All right, my 2 babies. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So Jeremy's been like anxious all day long because we've had like a really amazing view day. Like it's been kind of crazy. Our channel has never gotten this many views like in a day before, and it's the video where Pork Chop's abscess burst has like gone crazy today, and today's video has done really well, and yesterday's video has done really well today, and it's just been kind of crazy. We love you guys. Thanks so much to everybody who's new and everybody who's been here for a while. We will see you guys in the next video.